how to develop it. See, in the essay writing, there are different steps. Okay, first one, if it is a 10 minutes essay, okay, or sometimes it may be 30 minutes essay, okay, or sometimes it is 1.5 hour, 90 minutes essay. Like that, different types of essays will be there, short essays and long essays. Is it clear? And how to do, what to do, okay, let me tell you. There are some steps here. Generally, when you see the topic in the examination, don't start here writing the essay straight away. Is it clear? First, let me tell you, okay, first trace out the keywords of the essay, read the essay once or twice and understand the nature of the essay. In essay writing here, step 1, in the step 1, okay, read the essay, read the essay topic, okay, read the topic, first read the topic, right, trace out the keywords, of the topic, then, okay, with the help of keywords, decide the nature of the essay, and decide what the examiner is expecting. Decide what the questioner, examiner is expecting, okay, from us on this topic, okay. So if you decide the nature of the essay, if it is a, okay, whether it is issue based or whether it is argumentative, okay, whether it is okay, agree, disagree or disagree, like this you think whether only to analyze, just your critical analysis, which type of okay, essay it is, you have to think, okay. If it is a issue based essay, you have to think here, what is the issue, right, here, okay, severity of the issue, reasons for the issue, okay, and solution. Like this you have to think. If it is argument here, okay, what is the point here, okay, is it clear? You have to think of for statements and against statements, for and against. Think of the points in favor of the argument. Think of the points against the, okay, argument. Is it clear? So like that. Even if it is agree, disagree also, here, what is this point here? Why you agree, Why? Yeah, you or people agree. Why you agree? Why disagree? Okay, right? Even if they ask here your opinion, okay? Why agree? Why disagree? And final opinion, whether we agree or not. Like this, different types of essays need different points, okay, to think differently. Is it clear? This is here the first step here, okay. Next, in step 2, here, yeah, with the help of trace out the key, okay. Trace out the keywords. With the help of the keywords, generate ideas. Step 2, generate ideas based on keywords. Generate ideas based on keywords. Okay, this is the second step. Here, how? First, write the keywords here. Write the topic here. Okay. After writing the topic, just here, topic means keywords only. Topic keywords. Okay. After writing the topic keywords, then go for here questioning your 5 W's and 1 H. So first write the keywords here. Then say what, where, when, who, okay, how, why, like this. What is that? 5 W's and 1 H. Think of these 5 W's and 1 H. Automatically you start getting the new words, new ideas, new points. Is it clear? For any topic, just think of what. In this one, generally here comes the definition. Where, okay, this is here area. This is the area. Okay, geographical area. Is it clear? Or functional area. This is area here, where you can go from general to specific. Okay, for example here, first you can go, okay, the global, then your country, okay, then to your local area, like this. When in this one you can think of the history. In this one you can think of who involved, persons, okay. Here there may be accused or there may be victims. Accused or victims. Accused or victims means if it is a problem, who are responsible for the problem and who are the affected persons, who are the victims. Is it clear? Like that. Next, how, okay, impact, how, okay, functioning and impact. Okay, why, reasons or causes, like this. Okay, if you write like this here, automatically for any topic, just okay, think of all these 5 W's, okay, and then start here getting points. Okay, automatically you get number of points. Is it clear? Next, step 3. In this one, organization of ideas. Okay, organization, okay, of organization or plan of ideas, right? See, what is that here? First, how introduction, then next discussion. In discussion here, how many introduction? One, okay, right? In the discussion here, 1 or 2 paragraphs, 1 para. In discussions, at least second para, third para, and conclusion, okay, fourth para. Like this. You can plan like this. Then step 4. Plan, organization of ideas. Think of and plus think of, okay, think of proverbs, quotations, okay, quotations, right, or any sayings, famous sayings, right, and try to link it, and think plus links. Then here write the essay, okay, in the planned way, in the organized way, like this here. This is here writing method of any essay. Is it clear? See, there are 4 steps generally. First, if it is a half an hour essay, spend at least 3 minutes only to think of like that. In the step 1, you need not write all these here, but at least in your mind or okay, on a rough paper, okay. Is it clear? Where you can write the rough, you can do rough work on the generally, okay. If it is a page here, just right side here you can keep something for rough work. You can give some margin and you can keep a line and you can do rough work. In this rough work here, in this rough work you can write some, okay, plan like this, okay. Here you can write the keywords here and think of it, and you can write here some points here, okay, not in the sentence form, just only rough work. It is only words or phrases like that. You can do that rough work for 2-3 minutes. If it is half an hour essay, you can spend at least 2-3 minutes. If it is 90 minutes essay, you can spend for 5 minutes, no problem, because good organization is important. Here, the points here in the organized manner should be important. Is it clear? And we have to cover all important points. That is very, very important. Okay. If it is even 8 minutes essay, 7.5 minutes essay, like in okay, civil services mains, even then you spend at least half minute to 1 minute, okay, for these ideas. Okay. Is it clear? At least within your mind also you can, okay, think of these, and you can have a rough plan in your mind regarding these 5 Ws and 1 H. Of course, you need not cover all these 5 Ws and 1 H, okay, according to the context. Okay, you can omit some, okay, unimportant points. Is it clear? And you can highlight here, okay, whichever is important here. Out of these 5 Ws and 1 H, whichever is important, you can highlight it more, okay, according to the nature of the question. Is it clear? Right? So, here if it is 7.5 minutes essay, spend at least half minute to 1 minute. Remaining 6.5 minutes is enough for writing that 200 words essay. Because, for example, for 1 minute, we can write at least 20 to 30 words, no problem. Is it clear? We can write 2 sentences, 3 sentences in 1 minute. Okay, definitely we can write. Okay. Then if it is 6 minutes, 8 minutes, easily here we can write 150 to 200 words. It is not a big problem if we have the ideas ready-made. Okay, is it clear? If we have the ideas in our mind in advance and planned, there is no need of taking any break, any pause. Is it clear? So first thing we have to do is here, trace out the keywords, think of the here nature of the essay, then generate ideas, then okay, plan the essay, organize the essay, plan the essay, and then start writing. Okay, even you can think of some quotations. Okay, you can begin the sentence with a quotation or with a famous saying. Is it clear? Okay, and that gives good impression. It okay, is it clear? These quotations are famous sayings, famous quotations. Okay, if used in this one, but they should be used according to the context only. Without context, only simply thinking that the quotation is good here, don't use it. Okay, if it fits in that context, you can. Okay, now we can take a topic here, example topic, and we can how to write here. Let us see. Exercise 1. Right. See the topic. Nowadays, children are eating more fast food and convenient snacks. Why are children doing this, and how serious are the consequences? How serious are the consequences? In this one, let us see. How serious are the consequences? So step 1, what are the keywords? Just okay, you need not write step 1, step 2, step 3 like that, but simply okay, step 1 in this one, trace out the keywords. Children eating fast food and snacks. Why and how serious are the consequences? Is it clear? These are the keywords. Okay, what is that? Children eating fast food. Okay, next, why and serious consequences. These are the keywords. Based on this one here, can you tell me, okay, the nature of the essay? What is this here? It is the issue based essay. Issue based essay. Right? Now generate points. This is a step 1. Step 1. Step 2. Generate ideas. Generate ideas. Children eating fast food. How can you say? Children eating fast food. How can you say here? First, this is a statement. It is a statement. Okay. and this statement has no validity unless it is supported by premises. What are the premises? What are the supporting sentences? How can you defend this statement? Simply don't say, yes, we see, okay, it is very common, everyone knows. Don't say like that, okay, vaguely, right? You have to give evidence or some supporting statements. Okay, you see here, many fast food centers, everywhere, every nook and corner, flourishing business, flourishing their business, okay, busy, always busy, with youth and children, okay, right? Here, by saying this here, we can say, we can defend this statement. Next, why? Why means reasons. What are the reasons here? Why they are attracted towards fast food? Okay, yeah, tasty, variety, readily available means children are busy, okay, busy life, parents busy with their jobs, no homemade food. Next, more pocket money, even fashion. Is it clear? Like this you can say number of reasons, right? Next, serious consequences. What are the consequences? Health hazards. What are those? In this one, malnutrition, obesity, diabetes. Okay, next, cancer, right? Like this you can think of the consequences. Money spending nature, even lifestyles, change in lifestyles. Okay, right. Next, if it is okay, issue based, there must be, okay, conclusion. Next, plan the essay. Step 3, right? First one here, introduction. Intro, you can write here. This one, what is that? Children eating a fast food. Statement, premises. This one, okay? And one sentence plus one sentence of reasons, one sentence of consequences. General statement. Okay. Next, discussion. Okay. In the discussion part, you can go for first this one. What is that here in this one? You can write here para 1 introduction, para 2. Okay, in the discussion part here, para 2 discussion in this one. What is that? Show the trend, show the trend. And in one para, in para 2, here only trend. Okay, statement and trend. Para 2, just you can go for simply reasons. Para 3, you can go for impact, consequences. Next, conclusion. In the conclusion, para 4, solution. Like this, minimum you can write here 4 paragraphs. Okay. If it is an issue, you have to tell the reasons of the issue, impact of the issue, that problem. Is it clear? And the solution for the problem. Generally, in the conclusion, you have to end that essay with the solution. Like this, you have to take care of this. Then you start writing according to your plan. Okay. This is a simple one. It is just a short essay of 200 or 250 words essay. If it is a big essay,